Winter roads mean shorter days and tricky visibility. Fog, snow and rain can make things even harder. Using your headlights properly isn't just about seeing, it's about being seen. Let's make sure you can stay safe on the roads. Welcome back to the Drive Smart campaign. Picture this. You're driving on a dark, foggy winter evening. Visibility is low and your headlights could be the difference between a safe journey and an accident. In today's video, we're looking at the importance of using your headlights properly. Not just so you can see, but so others can see you too. Stay with us to learn 4 key tips to navigate poor visibility with confidence. Tip 1. When to use your headlights. Headlights aren't just for nighttime. Anytime visibility is reduced, whether it's heavy rain, snow, fog, or just a very cloudy day. Switch them on manually if needed. Even if your car has automatic lights, take control when conditions demand it. Being proactive helps ensure you're seen by other drivers. Keep watching for 3 more visibility tips. First, what's your go-to tip for staying visible in poor weather? Drop it in the comments, we'd love to hear your advice. Tip 2. Use low beams in fog and snow. High beams might seem like a great option, but in fog or snow they can backfire by reflecting light back into your eyes. Stick to low beams, which provide steady, focused lighting and reduce glare, keeping the road ahead clear. Tip 3. Clean your headlights regularly. Winter grime, snow and ice can quickly dull your headlights, making them far less effective. Make a habit of cleaning them whenever you fill up on fuel or park at home. Brighter lights mean better visibility for you and others on the road. Tip 4. Use fog lights when needed. Remember to use your fog lights in dense fog. They're designed to cut through low-lying visibility challenges without the glare of high beams. Just remember to switch them off when conditions improve to avoid dazzling other drivers. If you found these visibility tips useful, make sure to hit subscribe and join us for weekly advice on staying safe and smart behind the wheel. With each video, you'll become a more confident and prepared driver. Your headlights are more than just a tool for lighting the road. They're a lifeline for helping others see you. By using them correctly, keeping them clean, and choosing the right beams for the conditions, you'll navigate winter roads with confidence and safety. Thanks for watching the Drive Smart campaign. See you next time.